Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a flower shop composition. Especially this drawing I have done, one of my YouTube followers, he has requested to me to draw this one. So friends, I have done this one for you. I don't know how is it, but I have tried. So friends, see, at first I have drawn layout very lightly with pencil. So if you want, you can draw. Here I will not show you the process. Okay, just see the process, see the drawing. Friends, at first you can draw layout with pencil. After that you can use anything, black sketch pen or black pen. Okay, see the drawing. Here I am using ball pen. Okay, if you want you can use, but before starting the composition you should complete the layout properly. Okay, it's a very important things because this is the composition. If you want to make the relation properly, so you should apply the gesture drawing. Okay, friends, see here I'm doing second figure. First figure she is selling flowers, and here she is asking something. Okay, and see their posture, see their expression. It's very important things that a buyer, a seller, how they are talking. Friends, see now when you will draw, at that time you should also try the add their feelings, okay, their expression. So friends, see this composition is not too tough, but if you follow the process, when you draw when you attach their relation, at that time you have to find out the particular gap where you should start the drawing. Okay, now friends, see almost our two figures are completed. Now we can start last one. Okay, see the last one, she is also watching their talking. Okay, so friends, in this way we have to complete whole drawing. Here I will not show you the color, just you have to make the composition with me. And I told so many times that if you need any help you can contact with me. Friends, if you want to learn drawing and painting, so you can contact with me. Okay, and I especially suggest you that if you want to learn this subject, you should love this subject, you should try again and again, then you can learn it. Okay, and if you like this video, please don't forget to share with your friends and relatives. Okay friends, bye.